Most people will tell you that to start a viral faceless channel in 2026, you need to shell out hundreds of dollars a month for premium AI video tools. They are wrong. You don't need a premium Runway or OpenAI subscription to start a money-making machine. In this video, I'm showing you a secret workflow using a powerful, completely free AI video generator that costs exactly $0. We are going to auto-generate a month's worth of cinematic shorts today, entirely for free, so you can build a passive income stream from scratch. No budget, no excuses. Step 1. We need a viral concept that people can't stop watching. We're going to use ChatGPT to build our foundation. Instead of asking it for generic ideas, use this exact prompt. Give me 30 dark psychology facts with a strong hook and a shocking conclusion, formatted into a 2-part table. Boom. In less than 60 seconds, ChatGPT just handed you a month's worth of content. Copy this table, open up Google Sheets, and paste it in. This is your content database, and it's going to feed our video engine. Step 2. Turning these words into stunning visual masterpieces without spending a dime. We're bypassing the expensive paid platforms and heading straight to the best free AI video generator on the market right now. Take the theme of your first short. Let's say a mysterious figure walking through a neon-lit, rain-slicked street. Plug that into the image generator, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and hit generate. Look at that quality. It's hyper-realistic, high contrast, and completely free. Download 5 to 6 variations to keep your video pacing ultra-fast. Step 3. The automation magic. Import your free clips into your editing software. CapCut or Canva work perfectly for this. Instead of editing 30 individual videos by hand, use the bulk create feature, or auto captions. Link your Google Sheet data to the video template. With one click, the system automatically applies your ChatGPT hooks and conclusions across all your video clips. Apply a cinematic audio track, change your text to a bold, high-center font like Impact or Montserrat, and highlight keywords in bright yellow. In less than 10 minutes, you've just batched 30 high-retention shorts. You now have a full month of content ready to upload to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. The tools are free, the blueprint is right here, and the only variable left is you taking action. If you want the exact prompts I used in this video, drop a comment below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next breakdown. Let's get to work.